Today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a contacts list into GoHighLevel. We'll go from opening your account to confirming everything landed in the right place, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way to make the process smooth. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and opening your dashboard. From there, look to the left sidebar and head into the Contacts section. This is your central hub for people and businesses you work with, and it's where the import feature lives. Inside Contacts, click Import Contacts. Before you upload anything, it's a good idea to prepare your file. GoHighLevel accepts CSV and Excel files, so choose whichever you've already got. Make sure your spreadsheet has a clear header row with labels like first name, last name, email and phone, and that each contact sits on its own row. Clean up any blank rows, merge cells or extra tabs, and keep formulas to a minimum so your data imports exactly as it appears. Next, click Upload File and select your CSV or Excel file from your computer. Once the file is loaded, you'll see the field mapping screen. This is where you match each column in your file to the correct contact field in GoHighLevel. If the system guesses a match for you, double check it anyway. Make sure email columns map to email, phone numbers map to phone, and names go to the proper name fields. If you already use custom fields in your account, match your extra columns to those so you don't lose valuable details. You'll then configure your import settings. Choosing to skip duplicates is recommended to keep your list clean. This prevents adding the same contact multiple times based on matching details like email or phone. Override existing contacts is optional. Turn this on only if you want to update information on contacts you already have. If you're unsure, leave override off so you don't accidentally replace good data. When everything looks right, click Import to start the process. Larger files can take a bit longer, so give it a moment to run. You can continue working elsewhere in the app while the import completes. Finally, verify your results. Return to your contacts list, sort by the most recent entries, and spot check a few records. Confirm names, emails and phone numbers are in the correct fields, and that the number of new contacts roughly matches your expectations after accounting for duplicates. If something doesn't look right, adjust your file or mapping and run the import again. And that's it. You've successfully imported a contacts list into GoHighLevel. Thanks for watching.